Find a relaxing and comfortable position. You can do this breathing exercise seated, lying down, or even standing up. If you are feeling a little tired, go ahead and close your eyes. Or if you prefer to let some light in, it is also okay. Breathe normally. Breathe in and out. You do not have to take extra deep breaths. Now slowly bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Is your breathing deep or shallow? Simply stay focused on your breathing without forcing it in any way. Let us try to follow each breath. Feel the air enter your nose. Feel the air travel down your abdomen. Feel the sensation of air coming out again through your nose. Stay with the awareness of your breathing. Let each breath of air follow on from the previous breath. Try to feel the rise and fall of your abdomen. Let yourself relax while you focus on the rhythmic flow of your breath. Be kind to yourself, even if you find it difficult to focus. You enjoy the feeling of stillness. Allow any thoughts to come as they wish. And as you take your next breath out, allow these thoughts to pass. Allow your breath to anchor you to the present moment. You become an observer. When you get caught up in a particular difficult thought, simply acknowledge that you have become aware of it. Then, along with your next breath out, allow the thought to pass. Stay with the awareness of your breathing. As we come to the end of this exercise, give yourself more time if you need. And when you are ready, count backwards from 5 to 1. then slowly return to the present moment. Allow the feeling of comfort to carry with you throughout the day.